Hey, Lori.
Yeah, hi. The UN has responded to the protests in Iraq by calling on the government to fully respect and address the people's legitimate concerns. What's your comment on those protests?
I'm sorry, the overall protest, you mean about the electricity and all the...
And the corruption is a big part of it.
Right. Overall, I can just tell you we support people's rights to peacefully protest. We certainly understand when there are electricity shortages, when there are oil shortages and things of the sort, that is something that would be certainly upsetting to people. The Iraqi government has said that it safeguards the right of its citizens to protest. They also have the right to maintain the security of public and private property in Iraq. They've expressed an intent to do more to address protesters' grievances, including the lack of services of electricity and also economic opportunity. Overall, though, this would be an internal Iraqi matter of this.
Corruption is a big part of the problem. Is the embassy there prepared to help the Iraqi government deal with its corruption issue, find ways to improve that situation?
We have a excellent relationship with the government of Iraq. We are in constant contact with areas that we may have concerns about. Some of that, Lori, would be covered under a private diplomatic conversation, so I'm not going to get into that. But I can just tell you we have a lot of conversations with the government of Iraq.
And if I could ask you a question about Turkey today, that the Turkish court rejected Pastor Andrew Brunson's appeal to be released from prison. What's your response to that?
I can tell you we have obviously been very closely engaged in Pastor Brunson's case and with the Turkish government on that case in particular. We've not seen any credible evidence against Pastor Brunson that he's guilty of the crimes that the Turkish government accuses him of. The case against him is built on anonymous sources and accusations and a lot of speculation. It's a concern of ours. We believe that he's innocent. We continue to call on the Turkish government to quickly resolve his case in a timely and transparent and fair manner. I can tell you that our chargé, Phil Knesset, was, as well as other U.S. Embassy officials, were present at the proceedings on the 18th for Pastor Brunson. If we have anything more for you, we'll certainly let you know.